Welcome to eDay23. Today we are going to be doing V13, the distributive property, in 8th grade, but I'm going to have you stop at 90%. Around 90% they added a lot of decimals, and so I was going to have you just stop before you got decimals. You're just going to be multiplying. In this problem here, we do 5 times 6, or 5 times x, which is 5x. And then we have 5 times our 6, our positive 6, which is a positive 30. Now you guys do really well with this. We've seen this in the past. The biggest thing is to be careful with your signs. So let's go through a couple examples. Here we're going to be multiplying. 2 times 1 is 2. And then I usually like to highlight my second one that I'm multiplying. 2 times a positive 5h. 2 times 5 is 10, and then we will put our h down. Now distributing also can be seen when it's behind. And that's a little tricky. It must have the parentheses there for you to know to distribute versus doing a different operation. So first we're going to do 8 times 2h, and 8 times 2 is 16. Be very careful in IXL you don't lose your h with that. And then we're going to have 8 times 1, and it's a positive 1. 8 times 1 is a positive 8. They do get a little trickier just with the signs. You just want to be careful. Negative 7 times 8 is negative 56. And look and see how I'm highlighting. You may use your calculator with your multiplication. This is saying negative 7 times a negative 4. A negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be a positive 28, and don't lose that W when you distribute. And this last one I have for you, this negative 2, see those parentheses? That means I am still multiplying. Negative 2 times 4u is negative 8u. And then I always find it helpful to check my signs. 3 times a negative 2 is negative 6. I hope this IXL is pretty easy for you. Like I said, you can stop around 90%. They added in some decimals. You could still do it further, but I thought 90% would be good enough for us. This is V13. Today is Friday, so I hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions, let us know, or if you want to say hi, we are on Zoom every day at 11:30.